Hello everyone, in the previous video we have done proof that hashtag 8 and today we are going to solving proof that hashtag 9. So how we can solve this? Let's begin. So first of all we need to take LHS. As you already know, LHS is equal to 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta whole square. So we can do here 1 plus sine 2 theta. We are using here the formula of sine 2 theta. In the book also is given sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta dot cos theta plus cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. As it is, we can do whole square as same. Now we can positive plus 1 and negative plus 1. Negative 1 cancel out and 2 sine theta dot cos theta plus 2 cos square theta we can take common here. So 2 and 2 here is common, 2 and cos theta, 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta is common here, and here we are using big bracket as we take common, and here remains cos sine theta. So we can write sine theta plus here cos theta as it is, and whole square as it is in the big bracket, and here we are opening the bracket. So here is, if we open with this square root, then here becomes 4 cos square theta, and then sine theta plus cos theta whole square, and we can write here 4 cos square theta, and then sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta dot cos theta. We are using here the formula of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, as you already know, and we are using here the same formula that, and 4 cos square theta, and then sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so 1 plus, and 2 sine theta plus cos theta. Here we can see also 2 sine theta dot cos theta formula of sine 2 theta, so 1 plus sine 2 theta, and we have already proved LHS proved. Hence we have proved that hashtag 9 also completed, and in the next video we are going to solve proof that hashtag 10. So keep on this series. Thank you for watching this video.